Okay, now, so here's how you can turn off Google Maps search history on your iPhone. Essentially, what you gotta do is to make sure you get inside of the app right here. And obviously, before we begin, make sure you're subscribed to this channel so you never miss videos like these. And essentially, just tap on your name within the Google application in here. And what you need to click on is essentially your timeline. So when you just check out your timeline right here, you can see that here are all of the settings. So you can see I don't really have anything in here, not even for today, yesterday. I don't have anything saved in the search or activity or anything like that. And what you gotta do is to make sure to click on review the settings right here. And there is the ability to just click on this and you essentially get inside of the activity control. So timeline is one option to make sure you are kind of safe when it comes to your history of the places you've been to. But this is not entirely the search history. For the search specifically, what you need to do is to come back to the main section right here. And in here, tap on your profile picture again, but go to the settings. And in here, scroll down towards the bottom. And in here, we have the it is called the maps activity somehow or whatever, right? So you get inside of this and it's going to show up or show you another page which needs to load up. So once it does get inside, you want to make sure to just tap on it to get into the section. And as you can see, here is the maps activity. And what you want to make sure is that it is not saving, right? So for me, the web and app activity is turned off. It is like for all of these Google apps. So if you have it turned on, essentially it's going to store everything in there. But for me, I have it turned off. So this means that it is going to stop saving that activity. So in here, that is right now it's not saving to web and app activity, and the auto delete is like turned off, but if it's not saving, it is not really necessary. So you can see before I turned off, it has all of the details of everything that I looked up, right? So I might as well just delete it in case I just want to do that. Or as I said, I turned off the web and app activity in case I don't want to just have it saved for this specific account. So that's how it works. Hope you found this video helpful. Hit the thumbs up, subscribe below, and I'm going to catch you in the next video.